This is the Saker misting camping fan with a light and a mister. It comes with a remote, it comes with a stand, as you can see here. You get power into this using a USB-C cord, which it comes with. You can see it has a stand built in, and I'll kind of walk you through some of the features. I did say misting, so if we look at that first, that's very unique. I'll put the misting on, you'll see that the water gets filled in here, and the water, see that? It's misting out there. It's got two settings. You can have just one mister or two misters. It's got different light settings, right? It also oscillates. Look at that, while misting. It has a timer, a remote control, as you can see. I can turn the fan up, 4 different levels. And like I said, you can fill it up right up here at the top. I would use distilled water because you don't want to put anything that's got any contaminants in it. I'll show you how you can kind of close this thing up. It is adjustable like this, but you can have it just down low like that. If you want to turn it off, of course, you have all the buttons right here, and you can control everything right here. I'm just getting misted right in the face, right? So I have all the misting, all the adjustments here on. This is also a timer, and if I want to, I actually have to hit this button, and I can close all these up. I'm not going to do it right. Well, actually I can, because it's very adjustable. I can hang this if I wanted to. It also has a hook right there. All right, so this is the Saker misting camping light, and I forgot to mention, you can also charge devices with this right here. So this has USB in and USB out. So you get power into this and power out of it. So it actually acts as a power bank as well. And mists and lights. I mean, what else more do you want? The more I play with it, the more I realize it did. I think it's a really neat device. I will turn the lights out so you guys can see what it looks like with the lights out. We'll adjust this light. Pretty neat. Looks actually really neat with the lights off. Look at that. Woo! Turn that fan back on. It's getting hot in here.